content-aware tools can be extremely helpful in removing unwanted elements, flaws, or distractions from your photos. They can also be a powerful asset in creating unique compositions and interesting designs. In this video tutorial, you'll learn all about Paint Shop Pro's new SmartClone tool, which harnesses clone technology and produces amazing results. SmartClone can be used in a variety of different ways, for all different styles of project. Let's start with some basic retouching. We've all snapped photos similar to this one that require a little touching up. In this case, there's a big spot on the grass that's brown and dead and is kind of an eyesore. With the intelligence of the new SmartClone tool, we can easily fix that by selecting the tool or pressing D on your keyboard. We'll first choose our selection type. There are three options: ellipse, rectangle, or freehand. We'll choose ellipse, then select an area of grass that looks good to us, and use that clone selection to fill in that patch of dirt. That looks much better. So if we like this selection and we want the option of using it later on or in another project, we can actually save it as a preset. To do that, just select the drop-down from the Options toolbar, hit the plus button at the bottom to create a SmartClone tip form selection, give it a name, and then hit OK. Now we can easily use this preset on future projects and manipulate the size, rotation, and blend mode. Blend modes determine how much of your source image will appear on your destination image. For example, if we change from original to blend, that will apply a light transparency to our selection so that it blends nicely into its destination, whereas original maintains almost the exact appearance of the source selection. If you choose black and white, that will desaturate the cloned selection so that it's mostly just texture that's pasted onto the destination image. Now let's see how this intelligent new tool can make it super easy to create some interesting and fun design projects. And that's the new SmartClone tool. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Time to start creating.